The 2024 PNG budget brings us to almost halfway through the government's 13-year budget repair plan, which aims to return us to a budget surplus as soon as 2027. Today, it is a case of so far so good, as the economy has generally met the KPIs established through the budget. But the job is not done yet. This year's budget anticipates that revenues will grow significantly faster than costs, and this trend will continue for the foreseeable future. Continued discipline on the cost side will remain a challenge, with growing demands for services like health, education, and law and order. Ambitious revenue growth from the same broad tax mix will depend on increasing company profits, continuing high resource prices, and profitable SOEs. If we can thread these needles, the pathway to a stronger and more dynamic economy is certainly available for us.